So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to solve this very amazing question, right? This is kind of, you can say, logarithmic question also, and also an exponential question, right? So this is a mixture of exponential and logarithm question. So pay attention throughout the video. As I said, this is one of the very conceptual and interesting question, and we have to obviously find the value of x, and both the means I want to find real and complex both solution, right? Not only real, not only complex, but real and complex both the solution. So now in this kind of cases, how do we proceed, right? How do we solve this question? How do we approach this question? That's the main thing. So pay attention. First of all, if I focus on only real solution, that is very easy, right? Anybody can solve this. How? First of all, I will take logarithm both the side, right? So I can write ln x raised to ln x, which is equal to ln 1, right? Now according to property, ln x will come here, right? So ln x into ln x, and value of ln 1 I am sure all of you know, which is equal to 0. So ln x whole square, which is equal to 0, which means ln x equal to 0. Now this is only possible when x equal to 1. So this is our first answer, and this is our real answer, right? But as I said, we have to find complex solution also. So how do we find that, right? How do we approach that solution? So now pay attention. First of all, if I rewrite this question, x raised to ln x equal to 1. Now, if I want to represent this 1 in this graph, which is real axis, this is real axis and this is imaginary axis, right? I am sure all of you know. Now I can write 1 as 1 plus 0 iota, right? And now the imaginary part is 0 in this equation. I have only real part, and I can represent 1 as here. So if I want to find out the modulus of this complex number, then it will be r equal to 1, because r is here our modulus, right? So value of r is equal to 1. Now what will be our angle, right? What will be our argument here? So first of all, 0 degree, right? Because it is on the real axis, so 0 degree. Now if I complete one circle, then it will be 2 pi, right? For again it will be 4 pi. So I can say it will be multiple of 2 pi n. Now if I put n equal to 0, then I will get 0 degree, n equal to 1, 2 pi n, this will go on. So this will be our argument. But now if I want to represent this in the complex number, then I can represent like this: r into e raised to iota theta, where r is, as I said, modulus, theta is 2 pi n, right? I hope you got it. Now x raised to ln x as it is, and I can write 1 as r into iota theta, and r here is 1, so I can directly represent e raised to iota into 2 pi n. Got it, right? Now what we will do, I will again take logarithm both the side, ln x raised to ln x, which is equal to ln e raised to 2 pi n iota. So again ln x will come here, ln x into ln x, this will become 2 pi n iota into ln e. This will become ln x whole square, which is equal to 2 pi n iota, and value of ln is equal to 1, right? So I have got ln x square equal to 2 pi n iota. Now if I put n equal to 0, then I will get this whole term is 0, which will become ln x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. So this we have already find out the n equal to 0, right? We got x equal to 1. Now I will take two cases here. First of all, if I will take that whenever n is greater than 0, if n is greater than 0, then what will happen? This term will be positive, right? So I can easily write that ln x equal to, from this equation, ln x equal to under root 2 pi n. Now I can write under root iota, right? I have written separately 2 pi n and iota. Why? There is a reason behind it, you will get later, right? So here I have written 2 pi n and here into under root iota. Now if I want to find out the value of under root iota, what will it be, right? So I can write, I am sure all of you know that I can write iota as e raised to iota pi by 2. And those of you who don't know how we have written this, there is a formula, means I can write e raised to iota theta as cos pi by 2, cos theta, sorry, plus sin theta. And in place of theta I will put pi by 2 here, right? So cos pi by 2 plus iota sin pi by 2. Agree? The cos pi by 2 is 0 and iota sin pi by 2 equal to pi sin pi by 2 equal 1. So I will get only iota here. That's why we have written iota equal to e raised to pi by 2. Right? I hope now you got it. Now I want to find out under root iota, which means I can write under root iota as iota raised to 1 by 2, right? Which means I will multiply by 1 by 2 here in the power, so it will become e raised to iota pi by 4. So this is the value of under root iota, e raised to iota pi by 4, right? So ln x under root 2 pi n into iota pi by 4. Agree? Again, ln x equal to under root 2 pi n as it is. Now this is again become the formula of e raised to iota theta. Pay attention, theta equal to pi by 4. So if I put theta equal to pi by 4 in this equation, then it will become cos pi by 4 will be equal to root 2, right, divide by 2 plus root 2 by 2 into iota, right? I hope you got it. Now if I want to find out x, then I will have to take exponents both the side, right? So e raised to it will become 2 pi n, right, into root 2 divided by 2, root 2 divided by 2 into iota. Agree? Now again, if I want to simplify this our solution, right, so e raised to under root 2 pi n as it is, and if I write root 2 into 2 here, and if I separate this e raised to under root 2 by 2 iota, then pay attention. If I multiply this root 2 and root 2, it will become under root 2 pi n divided by 2. So 2 will cancel out. So only remain will be under root pi n into. Now how can I write this? With the, again this help of this formula, because this is a form of e raised to iota theta. So it will become cos root 2 by 2 plus iota sin root 2 by 2, right? This is our final answer for n greater than 0. Now I have one homework for you. You will find what will be our final value if we take n less than 0, right? So you have to solve for n less than 0 and comment down what will be the answer, right? But this is our final answer for x greater than 0. I have solved for two cases, n greater than 0 and equal to 0. So you have to find n less than 0, right? I hope you got it. As I said, this is very conceptual and very important question, very IMP question, right? This is very conceptual. And if you have any query, any doubt, then you can obviously comment me in the comment box. And thank you so much for watching this video.